Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix saved workouts disappearing on Ladder. So if your saved workouts are disappearing on this app, using your iPhone or iOS, it's usually a sync issue between the app and your account. Not that the workouts are actually gone. So actually guys, first you will need to check your internet connection. To do that you will need to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen or your iPhone screen, and then just go and hold and tap right here. So this way you will open the section, and right here we'll need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Even you can just turn the airplane mode on then off and open or reopen Ladder and wait a few seconds. As the second option or the second fix, you will need to force closing or open the app, and to do that you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just close Ladder. How so? You will need to swipe it up as well. So now you will need to wait 10 to 15 seconds and then just go back to your workout by reopening it or reopen the app again. And now go to your workout history and saved section. Also guys, you will need to make sure that you are on the correct account. So this is a very common cause. You will need to check if you are using Apple login versus email login, and even you can just log out and log back and using the same method you originally used. And to do that, you will need just to tap on the profile icon that's located at the top right corner, and then go and check if that's the account and the actual one. By going with edit profile, you will find the email inside it and all the information, so that's the email. If not, go ahead and tap on the gear icon that's located at the top right corner, scroll down and go with log out and log in with the actual account. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.